So hello everyone, welcome back to LeetCode Daily. In this particular video, we are discussing this remove element problem, and this is a easy level problem. And in this problem, we have to given an integer array nums, and we have to given an integer val, and we have to remove all occurrences of val in nums, and we have using this in place algorithm. The order of element may be changed, and then we have to return the number of nums which are not equal to their vals, and these are our condition, and this is our custom judge. And also we have to given the example test cases. So now let's look at their example test cases and also discuss their problem statement. And in this problem we have to given a nums and this val, and this nums and val, we have to remove all occurrences with val which is present on their nums, and we have to use in place algorithm. Basically, in place algorithm is basically for modify the array directly without using extra space. Like we cannot use any vector set and any other steps for storing and declaring with any values. Okay, and this is in place, and the order of the elements may be changed, and then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to their val, and consider the number of element in nums which are not equal to their val, and val be k. And to get accepted, you need to following these steps, like change the array with nums such that first k elements of nums contain the elements which are not equal to their vals, and then we have to return the size, like which element, how many elements are present on nums after updating all values and checking these conditions, and then we have to return k. Okay, and so now let's look at their this custom judge. Custom judge is basically for the problem statement that provide a way of verify the correctness, and asset asset function. Okay, this asset function is usually used for check the if solution meets the expected output or not, and then we have to check with their asset. And now let's look at their example test cases. So in first example, we have their nums, and nums is 3, 2, 2, and 3. And now val is equal to 3. And we have already given like nums value is not is equal to their val. And so we have to check with all the values. Okay. And now in first, we have to remove the occurrences of 3. This 3 is present on their nums array. So ignore number not equal to 3, and else we have to keep track all the values. Like here 2 and 2 is not equal to their vals, and if the val is equal to 3, then we have to assign with underscore. Okay, and after this we have to move the remaining numbers in front of their array, and after the final array you can be any order you have to return here, and then we have the first k element should be not is equal to with their value, and then we have to we have to remove it from here. Okay, and so now let's look at their iteration based code, like iteration based. So first, in first iteration we have their same value we have here, like 3 2 2 3. Okay, 3 2 2 and 3, and after this we have their I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 3 because of 0 1 2 and 3, these are our indexes. And after first iteration we have nums of I is equal to 3, and nums of I is equal to our val, and then if it is equal to, then we have to swap with nums of I and nums of j. Okay, and after swap we have decrement there j minus minus, then we have to follow all the steps, and then we have to, if if it is not match, then what we have to do, if let's suppose this nums of I, this nums of I is equal to 2, and this val is equal to 3, this is not equal to 3, so I is equal to 1, we have to, this is our count. Okay, you can say this is our count is equal to 1, and same for uh, num is equal to 2, num is equal to 2, and this num is equal to 2 not is equal to 3, so I is equal to 2, so answer is 2. So now let's look at their code, and this code is simple code. Okay, and in this code we have to use two pointer approach of I is equal to 0, j less than, j is equal to n minus 1, and I is equal to left, and this j is equal to right. Okay, and after this we have their while loop for iterate I less than is equal to j, and if nums of I is equal to well, then we have to swap and then decrement their last j minus minus, because we have to check with all the values like previous values. Okay, and then if else plus like else I plus plus, we have to increment starting value, if not it is equal to well. Okay, and then we have to return j plus 1. J plus 1 means return the new size of the array, and the time complexity of this code is basically for O of n, because we have each element we have to process once, and the space complexity of this code is O of 1, because we modify the nums without any extra space. It is called in place algorithms. We have already follow here, and so I hope you understand this easy problem. And this is asked for many coding interviews and many high paying jobs. Like, okay, so I hope you understand the logic and the implementation part. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much.